Hello everyone. Hi, I'm James Italio, and today I'll be sharing my thoughts on a very important topic: learning diversity and individual differences. Have you ever noticed how your classmates learn in so many different ways? Some easily understand lessons by listening, while others needs to see pictures or try things out themselves. That's what learning diversity is all about. In this vlog, I'll explain what it means, why is it important, how teachers can address it, and what I personally learned from it. Learning diversity refers to the variety of ways students learn and process information. It reminds us that no two learners are exactly alike. Individual differences, on the other hand, are the unique characteristics that make each learner distinct, such as their abilities, learning styles, motivation, background, and even personality. For example, one student might best through group discussions, while another prefers reading quietly. Some are visual learners, others are kinesthetic or auditory. All of these are normal and valuable differences that make learning dynamic and inclusive. Recognizing learning diversity is important because it promotes fairness and inclusion in education. When teachers understand that students have different needs, they can use teaching methods that reach everyone, not just a few. It also helps build confidence among learners. When students feel understood and accepted, they become more motivated and engaged. In short, recognizing differences helps create a classroom where every student feels seen, valued, and capable of success, regardless of how they learn. Teachers can address diverse learning needs in many creative ways. First, they can use varied teaching strategies like using visuals, group work, storytelling, games, and technology to reach different types of learners. Second, teachers can give choices and flexibility, such as allowing students to show what they learned through art, writing, or performance. Third, teachers should create an inclusive classroom that respects different cultures, languages, and abilities. Most importantly, teachers should show patience, empathy, and understanding because learning happens best when students feel supported and respected. Learning about diversity and individual differences really changed how I see education. I realized that being different in learning isn't a weakness, it is a strength. It means that we all have our own paths to understand things. In my own experience, I sometimes need visual aids, for example, to fully grasp a lesson. Before, I used to feel slow compared to others, but now I understand that I just learn differently. As future teacher or a lifelong learner, I'll use this understanding to be more patient, creative, and open-minded. When I teach someday, I'll make sure to use different approaches so that every student has the chance to learn in their own way. Because at the end of the day, education isn't about making everyone the same. It's about helping each other reach their fullest potentials. So remember, our differences don't divide us. They make learning more meaningful and powerful. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, share it with your classmates and celebrate the diversity that makes us unique learners.